Okay, so this is the new ProTuff brush. I'd like to show you first of all that it's very modular in its setup. It's designed to be modular so that for warranty replacements, if you have an issue with a particular component, we can replace just that component rather than replacing the entire brush, which would be very wasteful. And we don't want to waste resources and end up with a whole bunch of plastic and nylon and whatnot in the landfills. So the disassembly and reassembly of the unit is actually very simple, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But I just want to note that so the two end pieces are removable, the handle is removable, and also this section here, this black section, is removable from the main bristle portion, and that's removable by way of 4 screws on the bottom that are fairly easy access. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you the speed with which you can disassemble and reassemble the unit once you're comfortable with the process. And I think it's valuable to show that because initially when you first receive it, you may feel that some aspects of the assembly and disassembly might be slightly more cumbersome than you might expect. They're actually not. It's just a matter of getting used to it. I've only had this brush in my hand for a few days since we've gone to production on these, and I've only had a couple of prototypes in my hands. It's not like I've been practicing this, you know, for days and days or anything. Okay, so first of all, again, the handle is removable, and so you squeeze these 2 buttons, and you can remove it. The end pieces are removable, and basically what you would do is there's a section here that you pull out of the end. It's just a little tool. Okay, we have one in both ends, so that way if you lose one, you have a replacement. Okay, but then the process would be just simply, the easiest thing is to hold this kind of under your arm, and then you can slip this in. Now I'll show you from the side of the camera so you can see it. It's easier, instead of going in from the top, it's easier to go in from the side. There's a little hole here. You're going to put this into the hole and push down. Okay, so once you push down, then you'll see that it pushes this pin out. Once that pin is out, then you can remove the end. Okay, then the same thing, you just flip it around, and just a moment here, I have dropped my tool. Okay, so same thing though, then you would just put this in from the side, pop it down, pop it out, and you're now completely disassembled. Okay, the reassembly is actually even faster. So when you want to assemble, this pin has to be sticking out, okay? Otherwise, it's in the way. If you look inside here, if I push that pin in, then this portion here is in the way and you won't be able to assemble, okay? So we assemble this upside down. So we turn this upside down, we turn the main portion of the bristles upside down, and we simply push them together, okay? Turn it around, do the same thing. So upside down, push them together, and it clicks. And then again, the handle, you're just simply going to press these 2 buttons and push in from the end, and it locks in place. Okay, so that's really the simplest way. Sometimes to get leverage, depending on your strength level,